Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month there is an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I also have a couple other giveaways going on right now as well. I will put links in the description box that take you to the different videos that talk about how to enter for them. The number one rule is I do this for my subscribers, so you must be a subscriber. So join the family, help us get to 300. I've got a big box of stuff that I've already set aside for when we hit that 300 subscriber giveaway. So if you didn't know, Walmart is in the beauty subscription box club. So what they do is they send their products out to you free. You do have to pay the $5 in shipping, and then you get this box. It's got the little Walmart symbol embossed here, and full of a bunch of different goodies. There's usually a makeup bag that they throw in there too. So let's dive into the box and see what's inside. So the first item that I am pulling out is Biore Free Your Pores Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. The full size of this does retail for $14.47. Wicked pores. What is hiding in your pores can be downright scary, and these extra strength pore strips are no hocus pocus. Working like super magnets, they lift out the pore's stubborn blackheads and deep down dirt oil that you can lead to complexion problems. Yikes! Formulated with witch hazel, known to tighten pores for its astringent properties, these strips deep clean, remove blackheads, refine pores, and help prevent future breakouts. Biore Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips with the witch hazel, and the full size is 18 of these, and I love products with witch hazel in it, so I can't wait to try this out. So here's a brand I've really wanted to try. It's CereVe, and there's actually get two samples in here from them. This first one is their Moisturizing Cream, full size, retails for $5.72. And CereVe Moisturizing Cream increases the skin's ability to attract, hold, and distribute moisture. It penetrates deeply into the layers of the stratum corneum, the skin barrier, to restore the balance of lipids that are essential for an effective skin barrier. CereVe Moisturizing Cream also forms as a protective layer over the skin to help prevent moisture loss. The other CereVe product was their Foaming Facial Cleanser. Full size retails for $5.78. CereVe Foaming Facial Cleanses, balances and replenishes the skin in one easy step while removing dirt oil from a gentle foaming lather. CereVe Foaming Facial Cleanser replenishes the skin with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, the natural ingredients of a healthy skin barrier, never leaving it feeling tight or dry. Most foaming cleansers, to me, they strip away, they do a really good job cleansing, but they also strip away a lot of the oils. But this one's got the hyaluronic acid in it, so it'll be anxious to try out and see how this one does with my skin. So this one is a repeat from last month. It is the Soleil Purifying Black Charcoal Mask, retails for $2.50. The Soleil Purifying Black Charcoal Mask is formulated using Korean Binchoton charcoal, a renowned anti-inflammatory that purifies the skin while brightening the complexion. With the addition of cultured green tea extract and green caviar extract, This mask recharges, hydrates, and boosts the skin elasticity, resulting in beautifully clarified, smooth, and subtle skin in just 15 minutes. Convenient and travel-friendly, the mask makes caring for your skin simple and easy, whether at home or on the go. Soleil is a special blend of plant-based ingredients. It's scientifically formulated with multiple herbs based on the wisdom of traditional Korean herbology and ensures synergistic efficiency and safety to help improve skin conditions. Soleil's formulation stands apart from other plant-based skincare formulations, not only because each individual plant and herb ingredient selected, but also because of how well these ingredients work together in order to provide visible results. If you don't know, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, review them, and let you know what I think about them. So be on the lookout for this in an upcoming masking video. Soleil is also cruelty-free. By Blistex is the 5-star protection lip balm moisture sealed SPF of 30. You can get 2 of these on the Walmart website for $2.84. Protect your lips from the sun's harmful rays and harsh weather with a handy pack of the Blistex 5-star lip balm protectant sunscreen. I do like that it has sunscreen in it. It features travel size sticks of balm that are easy to store in backpacks and handbags, as well as in the pockets. This Blistex lip balm protectant / sunscreen features the UV repelling power of SPF 30 sunscreen. It works hard to lock in moisture even in dry air. This prevents chapping and leaves your lips feeling soft and hydrated wherever you go. It also works to rehydrate and smooth chapped lips. When applied, it forms a barrier that is resistant to wind and dry weather. It's colorless and clear, and also features a resealable cap to help keep the lip balm fresh when you're not in use. I'm gonna throw this one in that giveaway, so be on the lookout for this one in that 300 giveaway. As well as there are a ton of other products in there too. By Bic is the Soleil Sensitive 3-blade women's disposable razor count. So for 3 of these, it is $5.38. Achieve soft, smooth skin with the Bic Soleil Sensitive Women's Disposable Razor, ideal for sensitive skin. This razor features 3 flexible blades that individually adjust to the curves and a unique comfort shield head that distributes pressure evenly while shaving. This allows the razor to glide smoothly and help protect your skin from nicks and cuts. The ergonomic rubber grip handle provides a good grip on the razor, while the pivoting head offers added control. This razor also has a lubricating strip enriched in aloe vitamin E to enhance glide. The disposable razor slips easily inside a gym bag or a travel kit for convenient touch-ups. So I will have to give this one a try. I normally use the Venus that has the Olay in the strips, and so this, I'll give it a go and see how it goes. So what do you guys think of this box? I think I'm really anxious to try the CereVe products. I've heard so much about them. What were your favorite things? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.